Hi guys, Lala here. I wanted to do a really quick update on the baseball cap face shield tutorial that I did about a week ago. Two things have come up since then. First, I mentioned several times using 11 by 17s for the larger bill caps, and it turns out that's totally not necessary. 8.5 by 11 gives you all the coverage you need on all the bills. So this is the size I'm using now. If you did buy 11 by 17, just cut them in half and make twice as many shields. But the main reason I wanted to do this tutorial is about this attachment method. It's not holding up anymore. It was great when I first did it and I thought it was going to stay, but when I decided to start making the kids versions and I was going to be using these tiny little clips that I mentioned before, I thought I better do a little more rigorous testing with these and put them off and on like a kid would. And the shield fell off a couple times. And once that happened, this doesn't stay very well at all anymore. It comes off so easy. So this is going to be a no. I'd really like you to replace yours if you've done them, and let me show you what works. With these tiny little clips, I'm even going to use this. It works so well, I'm going to put the tiny clips on the adult shields too. I tried a lot of different things, but what really worked is this Gorilla Super Glue brush and nozzle. This is just a few simple steps. The first thing you need to do with your 8.5 by 11 sheet of plastic is mark the center line. You don't want to do what we did in the previous version where you gave it a little pinch to mark the center line, because with the tiny clip we're going to use, you need to have a really flat surface on your plastic, and that pinching it creates a bump. So now fold your plastic in half and bring the corners together, being careful not to fold this end. You don't want any creases there. And with your standard hole punch, you're going to punch a hole about the same distance from the top edge as the side. Now turn it over and round out those two sharp corners. Now with your tiny clip, this is a 1/4 inch by 3/4 inch. And you'll see why when we clip it on the hat, why this size is better. You want to use the brush side for this. So wipe off the excess glue and just put a thin layer on that flat side of your clip. Now you'll set it at the top of your shield on that center line. And just hold it there for a few seconds until it sets up enough where you can move it, and then set it aside overnight. Once that sets up, your bond is going to be really good. You don't have to worry about that clip being small. It is on there great. Now the last thing you need to do is, with your piece of elastic, have a knot on one end, go from the inside out, and on the other side you're going to go from the outside in, and just put a simple knot. Now open your binder clip and fold your plastic back just a little bit. If you had a big binder clip here, this wouldn't function. The bottom lever wouldn't function. The plastic would get in the way. So this allows you to push both levers and push it onto the cap. I didn't quite get that centered. There we go. Now the only way that you can see that this is a binder clip is because you can see this top lever. So I like to take that off. You can keep it if you think you might want to put it back on so you can get it off and on the hat easier. And then you just pull the elastic over. And that's it. So simple and really, really strong. You're going to like this one. If you do want to see this in the kids version, I'll have the hat shields, and I did a new kind of shield with eyeglasses. I'll give you a little preview of that. I like this so much, I'll probably wear this more than I wear my hat. It comes off and on so easy and doesn't affect your glasses at all, so you can use it with your prescription glasses. With the kids ones, I actually pop the lenses out because they're not wearing glasses, but it's such an easy shield to wear, I thought they would like it. So in the kids version, there's hat shields, eyeglass shields, really funky, over-the-top design shields. But one that I like so much, I'm keeping it for myself, and a not over-the-top one. But if you want to see the kids versions, there'll be a link here to that video. And if you just want to see the glasses, will be a quick video to show you how to make just the glasses. Okay, take care of yourselves, and I'll be back soon. Bye.